Coming up in today's video, it's my 8-week mini braids hair growth update. Let's get into today's video. It's been 8 weeks since I've installed these mini braids on my natural hair to grow my hair long, healthy and strong. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into today's video. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. I'm going to be doing a wash day using my trusted Hello Hydration conditioner, and also I'm going to be putting a little bit of hair mayonnaise in my hair for damaged, dry, weak hair. As stated in my previous videos, my hair broke off quite a bit at the front, which I'm still concerned about, but I'm really keen to press on with this challenge. So 8 weeks in, I'm not going to give up now, but still having at the back of my mind that there will be some damage at the end of this mini braids. Now I can start to reflect on what I may have done wrong in the past 2 months, life events, what I may have done to my hair. I've had one of my subscribers suggest protein overload. So of course there's always things I'm learning on my natural hair journey. I'm going to be sharing it all with you. So this is just a normal week. It's showing my tenacity here that I'm going to keep going despite what I fear. I don't really like the way my hair looks in this video because it is showing some breakage, but I'm so determined to film this for you and to also give you some tips despite how my hair is doing. I think that is the key there, is how my hair is doing. Following my hair practices indeed probably will not lead you to this result. As I've stated before, it could be my hormones, issues that I'm going through that's actually causing the breakage, the way I was styling my natural hair. Also, wearing the sun hats and the various protection could have caused the damage to the front of my hair. So by no means, does this reflect on your hair. I hope you're having a fantastic 8th week on your mini braids. I hope you are getting lots of growth. I hope you're getting thickness from your mini braids, and I hope you're seeing real progress. So I'm traveling a lot at the moment, and so my mini braids, really I try to keep on my routine. Whenever I can, I do a wash day, and this was a really quick wash day while I was traveling. And the main thing when I'm washing my hair, as I said to you, is to make sure my scalp is clean somewhat, and also to make sure that the length of my hair is moisturized. Week 8, how I'm feeling. I'm a little bit anxious about taking these down. Of course, we're 2 months in. We have another month or so to go, another 4 weeks to go. I'm getting lots of growth. If you can see at the back, my hair is really grown at the back, where I think it's a lot stronger, a lot less styling happens at the back. So it's looking really good. But the front is where it's quite weak. So 8 weeks on, I still don't like the way the front is looking, like there's a lot of breakage, but I'm going to just keep going. I'm going to keep doing what I've got to do to see as much growth as possible. As I've said before, if I get to 12 weeks and there is breakage, then I've got to film for you how I recover from all of that breakage. So then there'll be all of that content to look forward to. Of course, I've got to have the tenacity. I've got to keep making these videos. It is my natural hair journey, documenting the highs and the lows. But I think overall, my hair still looks great. You can still see the growth. I mean, if you've ever watched my first mini braids installation video, you will see my hair is completely changed. So I'm not going to lose focus on all the progress that I've made. It's very important for me to remember how far my natural hair has come. When I show you these natural hair journey videos, my hair was much shorter. Mini braids has played a key role in actually helping me to get a lot of the length that I have. So I must not be ungrateful. I hope that this video shows, if nothing else, the importance of being consistent. Even when you can see that there is damage on your hair, it's very important to be consistent with the hair practices and not just focus on damaged hair. We are going to recover. My hair is looking absolutely beautiful, and probably if I didn't tell you, if this was your first video, that my hair was damaged, you probably wouldn't know. So I'm trying very much to stay on the positive side and focus on the part of my hair that's doing well, which is the back. And it's growing really well. Once again, if this is your first video looking at using mini braids to grow your natural hair, I completely advocate for using this method. Perhaps though, I've overused this method. As you know, it's about 2 years now I've been doing mini braids, but I'll come on to a video at the end of this challenge if I have overprotective styled my natural hair, which will be absolutely fine. It's still better than just leaving it alone and it would break anyway. If this is the first video you're seeing on my channel, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Also, give this video a like and also leave me a comment down below. Perhaps you are going through breakage. Perhaps you have a question on mini braids. Pop them down below. I'll be very, very happy to answer them. So after my wash day, and also I was traveling quite a bit, I did redo the edges of my hair because you know, I had a lot of events, a lot of various places to go, and I needed my hair to look fresh. Once again, that could be the reason why my hair is breaking, because I've had to give it a lot more manipulation than I normally would have done if it was not such a busy period in my life. So there I'm showing you the growth that I've gotten 8 weeks in. It's looking like a good 1.5 inches, and I'm so happy with that. Being consistent, keeping my hair clean, making these videos, you can really see that, you know, by sticking to what works, you can get a lot of growth in your natural hair. Once again, check out the playlist section of my channel. I have plenty of videos, over 300 videos on how to grow your natural hair. Of course, at the moment, my content is centered on mini braids. There's tons of mini braids playlists there for you, showing you from day one. If you want to go back to my very first mini braids installation to see what I'm talking about, I've also got the comparison videos for you to show you side by side how my hair is transformed in mini braids. Check those out. Also, if mini braids is not your thing, if you're a mini twist kind of girl, check out my mini twist for growth playlist. Lots of information in there. Also, check out my Vader playlist where I'm teaching you to use DIY hair products to grow your natural hair, as well as my general how to grow your natural hair in 2023 and my how to grow your natural hair in 2022, as well as my general hints and tips playlist. Plenty of information there helping you to grow your natural hair. I hope you find it beneficial, and if there is a video there that you'd like to see that's not there at the moment, or a playlist indie that you'd like to see, do put it down below in the comments and I'll be happy to help. I hope you found my week 8 update useful. I've shown you a quick wash day using my trusted herbal essences, conditioner, and I put some mayonnaise in my hair. Showed you a quick wash day. Also redid the front of my hair, and it's good to go again to be worn out for the holidays. So 8 weeks in, we've only got 4 more weeks to go. I hope your mini braids are doing well, and please go ahead once again, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and share this video with someone that you feel it might be useful. So we are very much into the last quarter of the year. We're very much into October, and so of course we've got the seasons changing, and I'm going to be doing a video about how to take care of your hair in autumn, so look out for that. In the meantime, we're going to remain consistent. I hope your mini braids are doing well. I hope your hair is growing well. Once again, do check out all the playlists for much more information, and I'm showing you there what my hair looks like after I finish. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I can hear a lot of you saying, what breakage, Shev? What is the breakage that you're talking about? And of course, it's more visible to myself because I'm in my own hair, but it doesn't look that bad on camera. And of course, it's just the front. And of course, we're going to stay positive, because even if there is breakage, we are going to nurse it back to health. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.